Now, if you don't know what type a variable is, I'm going to introduce you to a second function called type. And if I do type and put the variable inside it like this, it will return what type of variable it is. Now, it won't print it, so I still have to tell it to print. So I'm going to go print type int age. And what it prints is that it's a class of type integer. So I can use that to check and see what type a variable is. Like, so let's say if I have two variables and I want to add them together, one good thing to do might be to make sure that they're both numbers and not strings before I add them. So I can find out what type a variable is by using the type function.